Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, let's wait for 5 minutes more so that everyone can join. But in the meantime, if you have any doubts regarding the previous class, you can discuss so that after 5 minutes we can continue with our today's session.
So, is there any way we can share the work that we've done, the home assignments?
Yes, you can share it in the chats here. Like yesterday, I told about how to share the link, so you can share it here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, Ram Krishna.
Yeah, one more thing, sir. Where I will get the recordings of this? Any link is there?
Recordings are in the group. Like, sir, I've already shared in the group the recordings for the yesterday's class.
No, I think.
You are in the group, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, in the group, the recordings have already been shared.
Yes, 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 thank you.
Okay, just check the messages and
Yeah.
you will see.
Yeah.
Any doubts, class, regarding the previous sessions?
We've shared the link on the chat.
Yeah. Parthiniv, right?
It's Pratinav.
Prathinov. Okay. Okay. Nice. I just checked the Lakshita's designs. They are nice. Very nice, Lakshita. And Prathinov.
Yes, sir.
Your designs are also nice, Prathinov. Nice. Very nice. Your Goa's one is looking elegant. See, in the Shimla's one, you can just change the color of the text, okay? Because it's not visible clearly.
Okay.
Yeah. Kavitas. Nice Kavita. Nice designs. See, one more thing. If you all share your designs, I just go through them. And what will happen is when I go through the designs, I see some mistakes are there. Okay, I will see that. So what will happen is in the class, I can just, I will know what to teach you and how to, so that improve that things. Because some, points are there which are common for everyone. So if you ask, then others doubts will also be cleared.
So, once we posted an image on the thing, how do we zoom in and out to make it smaller or bigger?
Didn't get your point. Can you please repeat?
Once we paste an element, say for example, inside a circle or something, how do
Yeah.
we make it zoom in and out? We were finding it difficult.
Okay. You want to zoom on that particular
Yeah,
element so that
that's
you can
what.
pick that one.
Correct. Correct.
Okay. I
Like
will.
how in that Shimla we made circles. How do we
Mhm.
kind of zoom in and out?
Okay.
Sometimes when you paste the picture, only a small portion gets highlighted. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
We'll see. We'll let you know. I noted down that point. Madhuri.
Yes.
Yes, I just got your design. Goa one, right?
Okay. But
See,
doubt.
it's Your voice is not audible clearly. You can just, type in the chats.
Am I audible now?
Your voice is breaking.
Well, actually, in my image, I would like to change the small picture, sir, but I don't know
Mhm.
how to.
Okay, I
So,
will let you know.
okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So done. Okay, let's start with the session. We took 3 points from your ends and a lot of points from my end as well. So shall we start? Everyone is here.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my
Yes,
screen is visible, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, done. See, for the today, we will see a lot of things. Like in the yesterday, we see how to add the elements, text, and how to change the design basically. But in today's class, we'll see how to, let's suppose if there is an element that is in the pro here. So how to take that element in the free version. Okay, we will see that thing means the images from the Google, how to download images and the logo one, business cards, a lot of things. So, and one doubt was there regarding the how to change these images. So we'll see here. See, first of thing, let's suppose we want to here, so we searched here Goa. Okay, and we go to the photos. Here mostly photos are in the pro version, but now you want a image. So how you get it? You go to the Google, simple, and you search here Goa images. Very simple. Here is the option of images. Here are a lot of images. That's right. But what happens is sometimes there are logos inside it. Some pictures are blurred. So how to get the high quality images without any watermark? Like you can see here in this image, there is the red bus watermark. And if we go more, this image is not in high quality and more images are there as well. So how to get a best quality image and without any watermark? So for that, see, one thing. First thing is we need to add a extension. Okay, first see, the images are in the extension form of jpg and jpeg. You have seen like here when you download from the Canva, here share button and download, you also see that jpg, png, pdf, svg, different extensions are there. So everybody knows about jpg, that it is for the what? Jpg is for anybody?
Image.
Image extension. Very nice. So same like jpg, there is an extension called png. Okay, the same extension we have got here is png. Okay, so every time you download an image, it should be in the png format. Why is that? Because jpg is an old version in which the image size gets lower and the quality sometimes got reduced. So but in png is a high quality extension for the images, means whenever you download an image it will be in the high quality. So we will also download the images from the Google or the website from the in the form of png only. For that, what we need to do is search on the Google, that is save as png extension. Okay, you can write it down, save as png extension. The first website you will see the Chrome Web Store. Okay, just click on the first one. You will see this logo, the drop, lower drop icon with the blue background and the PNG is there. Save image as PNG. Here, let me remove my one. So after when you click on that, you will see this add to Chrome. So click on the Chrome option. Let's see one thing before adding. Let's suppose you want to download this image. So to download, you will right click on it. Here you see save image as. Okay. And you can save that is in the AVIF file. I don't know what's the that file extension, but when we add to Chrome, when we add that extension has been added. Let's go again. Here click on it, right click on the image, and at the below you will see this option, same save images PNG with the blue drop icon. So we will download it, but for high quality images we have other websites, that is Pixabay. Write it down. First website is Pixabay and the second one is Unsplash. Okay, there are two websites. Note it down, everyone. For the high quality images without any watermark, means stock free images, that is Pixabay and Unsplash. The first website we have got for the both. Let's open it, and here is the search bar. Just search here. Let's search here burger. Okay, I searched burger. So when I search, you see the first row, it is the sponsored images I stop. So they are the pro images. We will not use them. And all, so it is only the first row. Below that, we have the royalty free images. A lot of images are there. So any image that you like, let's suppose I want to download this image or this one. Let's click on it. Here, right click on that image. Okay, it's changed. Yeah, it's changed. So to download it, here you see the free download, but do not click on the free download. Here you see this drop down icon, right before the free download. Click here. Here's the option, not an option for the JPG. It's only the JPG, not PNG. So, but while downloading the JPG as well, click on the original JPG. That is in the high quality. The pixels you can see. These are the lower pixels, higher, and more higher pixels. Okay, the more the pixels are, your image will be in high quality. So image is downloaded simply, and same with the Unsplash. For the Unsplash, what you need to do, let's suppose we have searched for the burger. Let's search here pizza. Okay, I searched pizza, and here all the images are free. Let's suppose we want to download this one. Click on it. Here we do not click on this one. Here we right click on this image and we'll see the option of save image as PNG. Okay, so every time you download an image, there should be only two formats, two extensions only, that is JPG or PNG. Make sure you download in PNG, but if PNG is not available, then in JPG, not other than. Okay, so just right click on it, click on here save image as PNG, and click on the save. Images are downloaded. Now if you want to upload it here, just click on the upload option. Here upload files, downloads. Here are the both images. Both images are selected and here uploaded. Now if you want to change these images, once doubt was there as well. So what we do is we put our cursor on this image, we left hold it, and we drag it with the other finger, and this red cursor you see in the center of the image, just put it on this image. Okay, just drag them with the images. Let's put this one is final. Drop your left hold. Simple. Okay, I hope everything is understood. Here, save as PNG, Pixabay and Unsplash, how they are working. Nice. Now let me share a shortcut with you. Okay, and the shortcut is, let's suppose, let's search here Goa. Okay, so we have the Goa images here. This one, high quality. I do not want to download this. What I will do is, I will left hold it, and same what we do in the canvas is drag. So drag it, the cursor we know, the red one, put it on the Canva tab. Here, the travel post we have, upper side, I go there, but till now I haven't dropped my left hold, so I will just drag it again below, or in the this design, when I go here, I drop my left hold. Now I haven't downloaded this image, it's already here without any download, a shortcut. But it will not be, you know, useful in every case, because whenever the image is in the JPG, PNG, WebP, or two or three more extensions are there, it is spotted. But some extensions are there which are not spotted by the Canva or any other websites. Okay, we'll see. So now we have this image, just or drag and drop it in the section. I hope it's understood. Done, like the drag and drop. Very easy shortcut. Okay, Canva is very easy. When you use the drag and drop options, you will see a lot of time is saved by in your work. In every work, not in the designs, not in editing or other things. In every work, when you use drag and drop, your work will get 10-20% faster. Now, let's just add another design here. See, earlier we have travel post. So let me here choose another media, another Instagram post, because today we are going to work on another one. Yesterday we worked on the travel. Let's work today for the food post. Okay, I first what I did is I named the folder. Now in the templates I search food. We here have the food posters, food designs, and you can specifically, search for a single food as well, like single item, burger, pizza, or pasta, and more things. See, let's suppose here, let me take a one poster design. Let's take this one, this menu one. Okay, so this is the poster. Now we know how to change it, it's very nice, but we want to change this image. See, we removed it, but how to change it? So to change it, what we do is we go to elements, we search here. Let's suppose here is the chicken biryani, we change it with momos or veg momos, simply. Okay, we also need to change accordingly here as well. Okay, the fragrant basmati rice and all, but right now let's focus on this image only, because we know how to change it. So let's remove this one. I search here veg momos, and I will search in the photos obviously. But when I search in the photos, you see there are images in the pro version, right? And if I choose this free one, you see this, it is not in the circle format. like earlier it is in. So what I do is, because there is a background but there is not, so to how to remove the backgrounds as well. For that, let's do one thing. Here on the pizza bay we go, I search here veg momos. First one is pro, and below we will see the images. Here are not the images of the momos. Let's search for the, go for the unsplash. Here search for the momos, and here we see the momos plates are there. Okay, so let's see this one. We need these momos plate. So what we will do is, we have another website to remove the background, because in the Canva the remove bg is there, bg remover, but is in the pro. So we go to the Google, we search here remove bg. Okay, we search here remove bg. The first website we have, we clicked on it. The website is good, very nice, and it's still in working from the approx you can say 4 5 years. Okay, from the last 4 5 years I have been using this one, and our students are also using this one. There is no doubt with this website. It's amazing. Okay, see, this is the image, drag and drop without any download. But let's see how it happens. Again, we go to the image, the cursor is here, we left hold it, we drag with another finger, we put our cursor on the top of this tab, but don't drop it here, drag it down. When it says drag image here, anywhere, just drop it. Now see the thing, what it says is only JPG, PNG and WebP images are spotted, means only 3 extensions of the images are spotted. So in that case, what we need to do is, we need to download this image in the PNG. And how to download is, right click it, we have this extension of save images PNG, click on it and your image will be saved. Now the image has been saved here, this one, just drag from here and drop it. Or another thing is, just when you go to the image, sorry, when you go to this website remove bg, you have this upload image option, upload, and go to the downloads. We see the first here, so select it, open it, and see, the background has been removed, only the plates are there. For that we will also see, here is the option of cutout, the first one. When you click, here are two options, erase and restore. Let's suppose we want to erase this. So here is the brush size as well, to make it large, bigger or smaller. We just, let me just drag it, make it a bigger thing. Here, let me select. Here I selected, and it's done. Only this plate is there. Now I click on the download option. Here we have the preview option. Click on the preview. The image has been downloaded. Go to the Canva, the poster we are on. Go to the uploads, upload files, then downloads. And the first image we have is image 1, remove BG. And we click on it. Our image is here. I clicked it, and you see it's done. Just crop, make it the box size smaller. It's very bigger. Done. Let's see the poster. It's changed. Right? Clear, everyone? How to remove the background?
Yes.
How to erase something from the background? Let's suppose if you want to erase some particular part, you can also do that. How to download the images in the high quality from the websites, and how to download in the PNG format. I hope everything's clear here. Rest, what about others? Okay, nice. Okay, so let's go another time. See, one doubt was here, how to zoom on a single element to pick it. See, this is the circle, and in that we have this $20. So if you want to zoom in, so what we do is, if we have a laptop, so there is a touch pad, your cursor is here, you just put your two fingers close, and when you touch your touchpad, just stretch the fingers out, not in. Okay, stretch the fingers away. If you stretch out the fingers closely, it will be in the zoom out, but if you stretch out of your fingers, you will see this, and you can singly click on the element, and when you clicked it, you can drag it. Okay, I hope it's done. Now see, your work is to make the images, sorry, to make the poster on the food one. Okay, one single poster on the food part. That's your homework. One homework, others are also in the aligned. That's why I am giving only one food poster. Okay, just what you need to do is just pick a template here. Let's suppose here you pick pizza, and we have the templates here. Suppose this one, remove the pizza to burger. Okay, just increase the length here. Remove this image, go to the another one, go search for here burger. Okay, now I am hoping that you will make more better designs. Suppose this is the image, just drag it to the remove bg, drop it again. That's the problem, we need to download in the save images png. Download it, go to the remove bg, drag it, and background will be downloaded, sorry, the background will be removed. Done. Just click on the download option here in the preview. The image is downloaded. Go to the food poster, uploads, upload files. The burger is here, and drag it. For just single click, the burger is here, and increase its size a little bigger. Done. Hoping now, just here change the color of the fonts. Here pizza is here, pizza graphic is here, just change it. Really great site, from really great site change to your name or your number, anything, just try it out. Okay, that's your work. And moving forward, we'll see some tools, but before that, mm, okay, let's see some 2 or 3 tools that will help us. Okay, some AI tools basically. Suppose, see, I am telling you, see, this is the syllabus we are working on. Everybody has that syllabus First day we have completed. Second day we need to work on the typography and text effects. Text effects we have shown earlier in the yesterday's class. And for the today we have done with the retouching, image creation we need to do, enhancement we need to do, logo generation and business cards and remove background is done. But apart from that, we'll see more things, okay, that I am clearing to you all. The syllabus you have got, but at the end of the sessions, at the end of the complete sessions, you will have more and more knowledge, more tools, more, you know, concepts in your hand, in your mind, than this syllabus. So sometimes what we do is we just unfollow some part of the syllabus, like we cover day 3 in day 2 or day 2 in the day 4 as well, but that is because of the speed. Okay, we will share in the group. Okay, not a problem. We'll say this, share the syllabus. Now we have a problem. See, when we download an image from the Google, we have one problem. And that problem is what? The problem is blurred images. So what we do is, suppose I am searching here Guru Gobind Singh pics. See, when earlier I was in the projects, means mainly in the field of marketing, not in the teaching. So I was making a poster of the Guru Gobind Singh Jayanti, okay, birthday about. So, but I can't find the clear images. His images are mostly in the blur format. Suppose this is the image, it's blurred, you can see, but I need to make it clearly, I need to make it visible. Here what I do is I search for more. Here this one as well, I searched more and more, but all the images were blurred. Suppose we need to make this image clear visible. So what we do is, first we go put this image in the Canva. Okay, then we'll see. Here I am working on the same. Okay, but you need to work on the another one. Here is the image. I am making the size bigger with the full size. Yes, now everyone can see the image is blurred, right? So how to make the image clearly visible, not the blurred part? So what we do is, in the yesterday class we see the app section, right? Like in the apps what we have is AI tools that help us in our daily life, that help us in the designs. So here we search image upscale. Okay, in the app section you need to search for the image upscale. Now when you search for the image upscale, the first is image upscaler, but is in the pro version. But we have another ones, the photo upscaler. This in the beer one, you see the second in the girl, and the pixel enhancer, do not use it, it's only giving 1 credit daily, so that's not useful. Image enhancer or enhancer, suppose we are using this enhancer, accept its permissions. Here we need to select an image. Sorry, we need to download this image or select. It's done, but it says 0 credit left. Okay, not a problem. We have others one as well. I might have used all the credits. See this photo upscaler. Let's go for this one. And we already have selected the image. It says upscale. So just click on the upscale. Here, replace selection. See this. It will change. Done. The blur part has been removed. Like if I control Z8, see, this is blurred, this is clear, blurred, clear. I hope it's clear, everyone. The image upscaler or photo upscaler, anything you can say. So we also have our blur images from her childhood, or sometimes we took, nowadays as well, we might have some blur images sometimes. So you can use this tool and you can upscale your images. Okay, any tool you can use. Go to the app. Here we have search for the image upscale, the photo upscaler we have used right now, and there are no credits required, means you can use it unlimited times. And the second one we also have, here we need to add a image, means we need to choose a file, not just select it, but we need to choose it from the gallery. So this one is good. The photo upscaler with this yellow background of deer is in here, a search one. Okay, it is good. So photo upscaler you will use. Now let's go for the another tool. After that, I will give you 2-3 minutes to check this out, and we will move ahead with our other tools. So I just talk about our childhood, right? So in our childhood, the mobile cameras were not there, right? And forget about the mobile cameras, even the cameras that were there, that are in the black and white mostly, not in the clear. Someone might, or if you go before that, before our time, if you go for your parents' time, 100% of the cameras are in the black and white. So how to change or how to give the colors in that black and white picture? For that, we have the tool here in the apps is colorize. Okay, search for it. The first one, colorize. Here you will see the difference. It's in the black and white, and now it's in the colored. So, but for that we need a black and white picture. So what I'm doing is I go to this website, or just go to the Google, search here black and white pic of group. Okay, just search for the group. Let's suppose this one, but it has watermark here. Let's search for the another one, or this one. Yes, this one is clear. Let's download it, upload it to the Canva. The image is here. And now we need to color it. So to color it, select the image, go to the apps, search colorize. We have the first tool of colorize. Click on it. Simply say colorize and replace. Now you can see. Just give it a minute. It's done. Colors are here earlier. See, the colors have been here in the image. Very simple. No credits needed, means unlimited times you can do the things in this. I hope you are liking these tools, the things I have told you till now. Okay, thank you so much. Your thumbs up are coming and I'm feeling very excited. Thank you so much. So now I'm giving you 5 minutes. Okay, just check these two tools and check this Pixabay, Remove Easy and all. Just check it out. Okay, like if they are working or not, so that after the session, after this 2 days class, you can work if I efficiently without any issues, without facing any issues. So just work on it for the 5 minutes, and then we will move ahead with our more tools. Second app is Colorize, ma'am. Madhunika. If anybody has any doubts, you can ask. Okay, so just check this out, and then we will move ahead with our more tools. Sangeeta, it's not colorize. It will not be in the U form. Okay, it is in the only single O. COLORIZE. Go to the apps here in the Canva, search colorize. Okay, this spelling, and you will see the first tool. Sometimes what happens is, see, there are two English, British and American. So the pronouns, the word spellings sometimes change. So we use COLORIZE, not URIZE.
So we are still not able to zoom into an image. We're using a desktop and a mouse. If you could please help us.
In the mouse. Yeah, sure. Mm, the same thing is
So
there, no?
can we share our screen once, sir?
Ma'am, you can share your screen at the end of the session.
All right, done. Can you just show us how to zoom into an image, sir?
Yeah, sure. See, this is the image. If you want to zoom in, put your cursor and you can just zoom in. What is the thing? If you are you want to crop it or just zoom
No,
in?
want to zoom in, sir.
Yeah, this is I am zooming. You can do also one more thing. Okay. See here below part of the canvas, you see this, scrolling, the circle one. So you can just zoom it from here as well
All
in
right.
your design. Okay.
The issue is generally if you have to fit it into a shape and we want a particular portion of it to show, that zooming gets a little difficult. I do not know if I'm able to convey what the difficulty is.
Okay, no worries. At the end, you can share your screen. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. So, have you tried with the other tools?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. What about others? Everybody's done. Shall we move ahead? Okay, nice. Done. So moving ahead, let's go with the tools. Some two more tools. Okay. Again, yes, Dipti, you can use Devanagari font. There is no problem. Okay. So moving ahead, see, everybody knows about ChatGPT, right? They worked with the ChatGPT as well. I Yes, done. So ChatGPT can create your images, but there's a limit of 5 images only per day. Or sometimes you can generate maximum 7 or 8 images in the free version. But if you go for the pro, obviously there you can generate more, but we need to pay for the pro version. So, but in the Canva we have tools. Okay, same in the app section, we go here to generate the images. So first one is Magic Media. Okay, just go to the apps, search Magic Media. You will see the first one, that is Magic Media, without any logo. So here we have four options: images, graphics, videos, and 3D. In that, videos is not available. 3D is there, but this is an experimental new technology. Graphics is not that much good. Images are very nice. Okay, so for a tool, there is one specific feature which is very excellent, and for the in the Magic Media, the feature is images. So in the images, we need to describe what you will like to create. So here, let's write a thing what we are creating for today. See, while creating, when we are giving a command to an AI prompt, the thing is that is called a prompt, not a command, basically. So when we are giving a command to an AI thing, we call it a prompt. So here we need to write a prompt to generate an image. Here, let's suppose a boy is walking down the street in the city with books in his right hand and a rose flower in his left hand. Okay, I just described what the boy is doing and where he is. Now let's describe one more thing of the surroundings. This scene is in the is of the city evening, and the people are also walking, and the cars are there on the roads. Okay, done. Now I have described two things only, that is what the boy is doing and the scene. Not There are more and more things that we can do. Here is what the boy is wearing and what others people are doing, how many people are there in the background, what the shops are looking like, everything we can describe here. And the more we describe, the best and the more exact image we will get. Now here we have the other option of styles. When we click on it, we have different styles of filmic. We have style of flash. We have the long exposure. minimalist, moody, neon, vibrant. You see more and more digital art, 3D, and dreamy. If we go down, we have more is fine art, oil painting, watercolor. More options we have here, so we can choose anyone. Let's choose here soft focus. Okay, and if for that we decide that we have the option of square, but that is the layout, that is in the square, in the landscape, in the portrait, how would like to create your image. So let's select the portrait. Below is not that is created by magic media, that what the magic media has created till now. You see this, the clarity here. So we can also generate this type of images. Just click on the generate here first, and it will generate the 4 images here. Okay, the 4 images have been generated. You can see the books and the rose flower, books and rose flower. The city traffic is here, evening time is here, and you can see the people are there, the cars are there, everything we have described is here. The thing is, all are wearing a different outfits and with different angles, is because we haven't described that thing. Let's suppose we want this one, just click on this and it will be in the center, just here, increase its size. Done. And you can see the clarity as well. It's also clear, visible, not in the blur format. There is no watermark as well. I hope it's clear. Yes, you can download this image from the Canva. Like how? Let's suppose this is the page 5. Just click on the share option, click on the download. Here, PNG, select the pages. Do not select all pages, just select the page number 5. Done, and click on download. And when we download this image, open it. You see only single image is downloaded. Okay. Also, while we are generating, we can also describe here the age of the boy. Like the boy is between the age of 18 to 20, 25 to 30s, or 40s or 50s, anything. So the dressing sense you can describe here, means everything you give in your prompt will be in your hands in the output format. But always focus on your prompt only. The more the efficient or effective prompt you give, the more effective image you will get. Yes, these features are available in free version. Like yesterday I have told, I will only use the free version of the Canva itself, not a single version, not a single point in the pro version. Okay, so here as well, Magic Media is totally free, not a single part is, you can say, in the pro version. I hope you like this. So it's understood, everyone. Okay, nice. Let's move to the another tool. The same thing, Magic Media. Just like the Magic Media, we have another tool that is with the name of Mojo AI. Okay, we have another tool that is in the Mojo AI. When I search, the first tool is here, the Mojo AI. Just click on it. Here in the Mojo AI, we have a limit. Okay, we have the limit of 5 AI credits daily. Means we can generate 5 images daily only. Like you can see. So let's just generate here. We have different options, that is Muse, Express, Infinity, Vision, QR code. For the QR code, we will see another app. Okay. Here Vision. You see the art styles are changing accordingly. Okay, so you can use anyone as according to the art style you want. So here we need to add a prompt. First, let's select a art style: photographic, digital art, fantasy, anime, 3D art, or logo. Not logo, obviously. In the Express, we have cinematic, fantasy art, anime, and more. In the Infinity, we have photographic, cinematic, fantasy art, comic book, and anime. Let's select here anime because earlier we have selected another one. Okay. So here in the anime, let's select the aspect ratio. 1:1 is a square. 9:16 is a real format, vertical. 2:3, 3:4, 4:3, 4:5. These are in the portrait one. 16:9 in the landscape. So here we will search 4:5. We will select basically. Type your ideas, what we are creating. Let's write a prompt. Let me think about it. Is what I need to. What should I? Anybody? What we need to create? Anybody want to give their suggestion? What should I create? No? Okay, not a problem. Let's say a girl is sitting.
A girl visiting, going for a reception, marriage.
What did you just said?
A girl
Hmm.
going for a marriage reception.
Marriage reception. Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
church or
Church basically.
okay.
Yeah. Okay. A girl
A girl or
is
a lady. A lady is going for a marriage
ready
in
for the marriage
a church,
in the dress in the
in a church.
marriage dress of
Ah,
the
okay.
Christian.
Okay.
Okay, we need to describe everything, like
Okay.
which dress he is wearing, right?
White. Okay.
The dress is basically a gown in the white
A white.
color,
Traditional white.
traditional white. Okay, traditional white color, and she is holding the flowers,
Blue bouquet. A bunch
flowers
of.
in her hand, basically. Okay,
Okay.
and the scene is from the church inside. The
Her
inside
parents with her
the
parents.
with the parents inside, and her parents are beside her, walking towards the groom, who is wait who is standing in front of the girl in the church. Okay, done.
Okay.
Yeah. So next we have is anime. Basically, we have choose the anime, but I don't know how it will react for this prompt because in the anime form we haven't seen such a image before. But let's just create it. Here we have generated. Oh, it is taking some time. It's almost there. Yeah, done. But here is something that it hasn't generated. See, let me make the size bigger. See, the girl is here, the dress is there, the groom is here, but groom is not in the front and the parents are not there. So that's the thing it has done. I think why it is like it, because we have chosen the anime format. Okay, and in the anime format, not so many people we can generate because it's still in the new thing now. But if we generate it in the cinematic or the portrait, like if we go back in the photographic, cinematic, or digital art, it will generate the same thing that we have described here. Okay, so for that, you can do it by yourself. Okay, because if I do it again, it will take 2-3 minutes more. So I hope the tool is also clear. The magic, sorry, the Mojo AI here. It's cleared, everyone. Yeah, done. Okay, so let's move to another tool. Nice. Okay. So here we have another tool for the text basics. Okay, like see, here let me add a text here first. Here I am adding my name. Now see, here in the effects, we have the curve option. So in the curve, we can curve this text in the circular format, in the upside or the downside. But if we want this text to be like, we want it in the zigzag form, like here, up, down, up, down. We see the text format, or we just see here, down and up. So how to do these effects? So for that, we have in the apps, we search type verb. Okay, the tool name is type verb. The first tool we have in the yellow part, yellow logo basically. Here, this type of thing I was referring for. Like here is in the smaller, but here the height is more, here the height is less. So how to do this? The 3D text effect basically. So for that, here we write the text. Okay, let me write it here. My name is done. Next, we have the font option. We select the font from here itself, or let's just choose another format. Sorry, another font. This one. Let's see. Looking nice than earlier. Color black, or I can just change the color with other colors as well, or want to add another color. I have the option. Now we have the thing is shape. That is this shape or this one. Here you can see in the preview, it is changing. Okay, like this, upside, downside. Here, low height, go to the big height. This one, this size lower, upper, lower. And here I can change the type as well, the waves, or I can just make more waves here as well. Okay, it's done. And the wave height, we can change. Just click on the add design. It's here. Just increase its size from like this. Or if you want to move, choose another one. Then you can choose other as well. Like this one, this shape, the height like this, and update element. Okay, it's done. Now, how I use it basically, what will be the use? Let me share it with you. Suppose you have done this, or let me just see here. Let's work with this one. Okay, suppose this burger is here. Keep it, not writing the Koshik here. Let's write the burger. Okay, the actual use we see the burger font here. Change the font. I will choose a bold font here. Okay, no font is here. Amarnatha, not looking nice. Let's just directly search here and tone. Yeah, this one. And tone is a bold font. And here we have already done with the size, more, and add to design. Now, if we just increase its size and just put it in the center and make the position of this burger to the front here like it. You see this design? Okay, let me increase its size like this. The burger is here, but at the background of the burger, at the back side of the burger is a text called burger. So these are the designs that are currently you see, or most of you might have also seen. So this is how you can create it. Like in the center, it's in more the height, but here in the side, the less the height, and giving a 3D effect basically. I hope it's clear how to change these text fonts, text typographies and all. Okay, nice. So the thing is done. Now, I hope you are liking the session. So, am I not boring you, right? Okay, thank you. Done. Because see, what we are doing is I am just keeping more and more tools. And the thing is, with that, you will gain more tools in your hands, and you see more and more things, more designs, more options you have, so you can be more creative at the end. Okay.
Sir, app में all the tools are available in the app, correct?
Yeah, all the tools are available only in
Okay.
the apps.
Okay.
Okay.
So, as per your information, how many tools are available, sir?
So no countdown.
No count actually. You have
No
given
count.
I mean, now itself we have given 6 to 7 tools, and all are out tool. So you
Yeah,
can really
there
change.
might be thousands of tools, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Uh-huh.
thousands of tools are there. Even I don't know most of the tools. Okay, because we cannot know all the tools. No. The
Okay.
thing is, if we are working in the thing, like see, I'm giving one hint, one table, like how to search for the more tools.
Hmm.
Like I was working, like before that, I already told. So what I did is, what I do for searching more and more tools is, I go to the apps. Here, if I want the text thing, okay, like I want the tools regarding some text, and I want the curve in the text. So what I do is, I search here text curve. I searched here. You see more and more tools, right? And here you see this text wrap. text curve, type curve, text to audio, more tools are there. So I just choose the one, I try it. If it's correct, fine. If it do my work, yes, let's go for it. If it doesn't work, let's start with the another tool from this zero. It's the thing. That's how I have gained a lot of tools till now. Okay, you just have 6 or 7 tools as of now, but I have a lot of tools. So I will share that in the last, next classes as well. But if I share all the tools in one go, it will be very heavy. Okay, done?
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. So, okay, let's go for the another thing is done. So for the today, we have done with the image image downloading part, background removing, how to upscale, image creations, text effects, basically. Now let's work on the business cards. Okay, how to create a business card for yourself. So for that, what we do is we don't go for the social media here. Okay, now we are not going for the social media. Now we will go for the printables. And in the printables, the first thing you see is a business card. Okay, now why we do these such things is basically because of the size. Let's suppose you designed a card. Now you want to print it out, and also it's very useful for you. Like if you go for a printing, it will be cost effective as compared to you go to the printer shop, you ask them to create a design and then they will print. So they will charge more for that. But if you already have a design, you go to them, just ask that I need to print these cards. He will directly print it out. The cost effect you will get. Okay. So for that, to not to cut your text, to not to cut out your design, we choose the exact same size, that is the business card 3.5 into 2 inch. Just select it out. We have the size. In the templates, we just select a template regarding, let's suppose here I'm creating for myself is digital. Digital marketing. Let me search. Let's see if we have the here. Yes, we have. It's in the pro basically, but here we have the free one as well. Okay, we have a lot of visiting cards here. Let's select a one, or I'm not getting anything here, means I'm not liking it basically. Yeah, this one looking nice, or another one. Let's see, or let's search for the education directly. These are in the pro, but we will have the nice one, this one. Let me select, apply both pages, the front and the back. Yes, the front and the back. In the front, we have the university name. Basically, if I am a trainer, so I will, my business card will be like the logo where I am working, the university, from university's details basically. And here we'll have my details, my name, what my role is, my emails, and the contact details basically. So you can edit them. Let's suppose here I am working with the Mohit Kaushik, senior trainer. Here we will have the logo of the company. Yesterday we have Here, done that. Now we have this logo uploaded, and I'm also working with the MSME Government of India, so I can put here my Government of India logo as well. Or let me just choose this one, drag it out here, remove its background. See, for removing the background, we have the remove BG, but I just choose the free version, pro version to fasten the work here. It's not looking nice. We need to change. Okay. For that, this one will be fine. Drag and drop. Yes, it's done. The logos are here. Now I need to change the details, and that you can also change. Here we need to change this one as well, where I am working. Digital Prona chart, and more details, and your business card will be ready. But if you want to different to one, just go for the another. Here search for the more business cards, that is marketing. Let me search. No, digital marketing this time. We have this one with our photo. Here I can put my picture here as well, marketing staff, my name, my contact details, and if I want to add the logos as well, I can put it here. Okay. Or we have the another one. For that, let's see these two pages, the front and the back. Here I can add my details, and in that I can add a logo of the Digital Dronacharya and the Government of India and all the things. So for that, we have all the things. My photo is also there, and my working place is also there. Color of the font after testing it from the type verb. Okay, just give a second. No. See, I will take these doubts, but first, share your feedback regarding this business card. Is it clear? Like how we do the changes in the business cards? Okay, done.
Sir,
Yes.
can we do this in the AI too?
No, business card you can't do with the AI thing.
Okay.
Because
And
at the end of the day,
mm,
AI is an AI is a computer. You have to give the commands. It can't understand your emotions, no.
okay.
Yeah. For that, what you can do is, see, if you want to add your name, you have to. AI can't,
Mm,
right? But we have one thing is the next part. I was going for the logo one, right? So I think it's clear till now. But so the next part is the logo creation. Basically, like, see, we have our logo. If a companies you are working with, that will also have a logo. Your brand, if you are working as a businessman, and let's suppose your business is till now your business doesn't have the logo, so how to create a logo? Because in the market, people charge approx minimum to minimum 3 to 4,000 for a logo creation. Yes, 3 4,000 a minimum charge is there in the market. And if you go for the posh areas, like in the premium cities or tier 1 cities, you will see a charge of 10,000, 20,000, of even 25-30,000 for a logo creation itself. It was a time like around 8 or 9 years before, when we started with the digital Dronacharya, we also need to create a logo, like you saw. So that time we don't know, we were new in this field, right? So we don't know anything about the things, but you will see at that time we gave 7,000 for that logo creation. 7,000 at that 8 years ago. So imagine if we go for today with the same logo, how much they can charge. So that's the thing. If you know how to create the logos, you can
But sir,
also charge the
8 years
people.
before, sir, 8 years before, was Canva was existing?
Yeah, Canva was existing. We were teaching. Okay, we were teaching, but we don't have any efficiency in that now. Now, because 8 years
Ah,
ago, everything was new. Digital
okay.
marketing was new.
Ah,
Because 8 years ago, when Prime Minister say go digital India, skill India, and all the things, that time digital marketing actually people understood. People started going for the online things. So when people start going for the online things, obviously youth or the new person will go in that field, not the old ones. Basically, they will not changing their field. Approximately, they are working around 25 years or 30 years. So we were new. So we were learning the things by ourselves. But now we are here. We can teach you everything that will be helpful, the cost effective. So let's go for it. The logo creation. So for the logo, what we need to do is we need to go here in the
Sir,
templates.
sir,
Yes,
sir, hello.
yes, who's this? Lakshita.
Yeah, sir, actually I have some urgent work right now. So can I leave early today?
Okay, okay.
Uh, there is only one homework, right? Like we have to make that food poster.
No, Lakshita, you can check the recording for that. Okay, let's just keep continue with the work here.
Sorry.
I am continuing a topic, so let's not disturb the others. Okay, you can
Okay.
check the recordings for the things.
Okay, thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay, so here we were going for the logo creation. So for the logo, we need to go here on the templates on the left hand side and search here logo. Okay, just search the logo. You will see the first option is create a blank logo. Just select it. Why I did it? Because first we need a size, and in the home section we can't find the logo creation here. The logo creation size is not there. That's why we search for the search in the template. We have gotten the size. Now here you can search for the logo. Let's suppose you're working in the food one or anything education. Let's suppose. Okay, I search here education. We have the educational logos, the school logos or the institute logos we see. Let's suppose this one was Saleh Online Academy. I just selected it. It's here. Let me change it with a university. Suppose Georgia. Georgia University. But first letter is obviously capital. Done. It's not looking nice, so we will make it nice. This time, this hat we have is we will keep it here like on the G. It's university. It's here. We can capitalize the word. That will look nice. And same with the university part, we can capitalize it. The same thing. Now, let me tell you one thing, that how we can do the innovations. See, here, if you see, we have I and I in both things. So we can change it. Like how we put this pen on this I as a letter called as a I letter. Means we are replacing that part. And we will keep this one here like this to make it actually like it's the pen has already written. This Wi-Fi option, because it is in the cap, it was because of the online world, so we need to remove it. We go to the position. Here in the position option of the layers, we have all the elements that we have used in this logo. We just select this one and remove it. Now you can see the logo we have chosen, the one we have created. Easy. I hope it's understood. So let me share one more thing here. If you add page, if you go to the templates again, if let me add my name, if it goes with the name as well. No, it's not going. But let's share, if we are creating for a music industry, okay, logo for a music part. So let's search here music, and we will have the music ones logo like this we have. And we saw here, see, more and more are there. We just change the name, we change the icons as well sometimes. And see this one I just got. These bars are basically the points of the music, the audio file. So you can see here more. So that's the name of the studio room, the music studio. So we can just change the letters here. I can just add here, let's suppose my name, and I need to write T as well. So I can just duplicate it and here duplicate this one as well. This in the center, just change it with the T. Done. Mohit Music Studio since 2015. And one more thing, we can just make this one smaller. To make it in the same format. I hope it's understood, everyone. Now, after the logo creation, we just select the logo, we just download the logo, and we can paste it here. Our work is done. I hope everything's clear about the logo creation as well. So, there is a doubt like, can you explain the same for the corporate employees like a banker? So, for that, if I can do everything, what you will do basically, so that is your work. Okay, if you do the work this by yourself, you will have more clarity. So I hope everything's clear. Let me just check this one. Kamble Vijay, some doubts were there basically. So no, Kamble, there's not any document or short description for all the tools. It's just that I am telling from the day one that you have to keep the notes of the tools. Okay, I already say that, always say that not the tool name, write the name of the tool. So you have to do this. Color of the font after pasting it from type verb Parthinov Prathinov. So Prathinov, it will not be happening. After pasting it from the type verb, you cannot change it anything in that, only the size you can change. So to change, you need to go back to the type verb and do it again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. How can we prepare digital visiting cards incorporating social media contact details? Okay. So digital visiting cards, social media contact details. See, for that, here you have this logo. Sorry, you have this visiting card. You see this website. In that, when you see, right click on it, you will see the option of link. You can just add the link of your website, you can add the link of your Facebook, of your Instagram, and write their name. Let's suppose my Instagram handle is Mohit DM, and I just go to the instagram.com/Mohit DM. I just select copy the link, go here, right click on the name, click on the link option, paste the link, and click on done. Link is here. If you share it in the PDF to anybody and they click on this one, the my Instagram will open up. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Can we make use of logo maker? Manoharan. Yes, Manoharan, obviously. And everyone as well. When like I'm giving this work to all, if you go to the app section and you search here logo maker, you will find this first and the third logo maker, or second one as well. So these three logo makers are there. You can use them. Like first I open up, let me share it. Okay, here you need to describe the logo you want. Okay, if you just describe the logo that you want, it will recreate. But for that, your prompt should be very accurate. The word, object, color, shape that you want to include in your logo. So it will create, but it will not be very much efficient. I'm stating it myself, but you will have the imagination. Imagine, a logo is there, will be there for you that you can recreate by yourself. Means you will have some ideas of how to recreate, how to create a logo with that name or that business name. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
Raghavendran,
Thank you.
where to access the recordings done daily. So everyone, you can access the recordings in the group itself. Sir always share the recordings, but a day after. Means if we have done with the class today, you will have the recordings tomorrow in the before the afternoon. Kaveri, what was your query basically here? Can you explain the same for the corporate employee like a banker? Yes, Kaveri, I just already told that if I in if I do the visiting cards or I do the logo making of all the same things, then how will you learn? Okay, I took 2 3
Sir,
topics.
good evening,
During
sir.
each one. Yes,
This is Kaveri, sir.
yes, Kaveri.
Sir, just give me some clues so that I'll try from my end, sir. Just
See,
a
you
small.
for the logo thing now,
Yes, sir.
just go to the logo maker or just go to the template here, search for the banker.
Wow.
Okay, you will have the banker's logo here. Or if these are not liking, just go for the finance. There are only two. Search for the finance here. You will see the finance logos. Finance and banker are basically in the same field. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is how you can create or how you search. I hope everything's clear. All the queries have been cleared.
Sir, for the recording, you said we have to go to the same link not tomorrow, right? In the daytime.
What's same link?
For the recording, is there any separate link or we have to go to the same link? What is
No, no, there is no separate link basically.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
you are in the group, no? MSME group.
Yeah, yeah.
So in that group, you will find the recording in tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Sir
And
will
then the
share a link there of the
in the
YouTube.
WhatsApp group you're talking about, sorry?
Yeah, WhatsApp group.
Oh, okay, okay. Because yesterday's recording I could not see that. There is no link actually.
You might be joined today, maybe.
No, no, no. I joined yesterday, but
Then you will see. Okay, not a problem. I will ask sir to reshare the recording.
sure.
Yeah.
But it overrides, right? Every day? Is it?
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
it?
Every day you will see the link.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's wrap this today's session. But before wrapping, I hope you like the sessions and want a feedback from your side, like what you learned today and everything. How you like the today's session? Yeah, thank you so much, Manasmita, Prathanyas, thank you, Kavita, Navdeep, Rup Ramakrishna, thank you so much. And I'm hoping that everybody just share their feedback because your feedback keeps us motivated for the new tools, and for the same energy we come tomorrow as well to teach you more and more things. Sangeeta, the homework for the tomorrow is just you have to see all, you have to use all the tools I shared today, and you have to create a logo and the business card for yourself. Okay, a business card is mandatory and all the tools you have to use. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Let's end the today's session here. Hope you like the sessions. Bye bye.